Hey guys, if you're a pasta lover, you're going to want to make this olive garlic chicken pasta. Believe me, it's simply out of this world. So let's make it up. What I've got here is a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cut in half. I suppose you could use thighs too if you want. So I'm just going to season these up with a bit of salt. Of course, some ground black pepper. Some Italian seasoning that I love so much that I just about use on everything. I'm going to be fairly generous with this. A light dusting of hot pepper flakes just for that heat. Ouch. Just kidding. And of course we're going to give these guys a flip and do the same to the other side. Now a bit of oil into a pan over medium-high heat, about a tablespoon or two. Chicken in, and we're going to fry this for a few minutes on each side, just till it's cooked through and golden brown. After a few minutes, our chicken is done here, so I'm just going to set this aside on a plate. Ah, this smells good, guys. In the meantime, I'm going to cook up my pasta in a pot of boiling salted water, just to the point where it's al dente. Next up, in the same pan, I'm going to add in half a chopped onion. Now, you don't want to touch this pan because all kinds of wonderful flavors happening here. 8 cloves of garlic. You may say that's a lot of garlic, but it is garlic after all, so a few pepper flakes again. A dash of salt. And a little more ground black pepper. I'm going to just stir and saute this until the pan deglazes. The onion is translucent and that wonderful smell of garlic just fills the air. Oh, I just love the smell of garlic sauteing. Oh, so good. After a couple of minutes, we're going to add in some mixed olives. And I suggest you get some really good olives from maybe an olive bar at the grocery store or something like that. I just love olives. After the olives have sauteed there for a couple of minutes, I'm going to add the pasta in. Some of that pasta water. And I'll just grab out my tongs and give this a mix until everything is nicely coated, or that pasta is nicely coated, I should say. And just look at this, guys. So incredibly yummy. Our olive garlic chicken pasta. Absolutely incredible. Okay, my friends, we'll go ahead and plate this up. Of course, some of those ever so yummy olives over the top. A drizzle of olive oil over the top. Of course, some Parmesan. Gotta have Parmesan. And some fresh parsley right from the garden. And of course, lay some of that delicious chicken onto the plate. And there you have it, guys, our olive garlic chicken pasta. Simply delicious. Okay, guys, let's grab some of this up and see what we've got here. And just look at this. I think I've got a little bit of everything here. Some chicken, olives. Okay, let's give this a taste. This is fantastic. Have you ever heard the term delicious simplicity? It's simple, but so many flavors happening. It is just so good. You got to make this. Great for a midweek meal. Of course, I'm going to have more.